Hey family, Action Jacklyn here. Thanks for tuning in. I don't always get a chance to videotape, so when I've caught up on most of my work, I like to just like come and like bombard you guys with videos. And I was inspired to make this video because of nature. I recently took a shopping trip with the kids. I took them shopping, and while I was there, I picked up some really pretty jewelry. I got myself a set, and I got my mom a set. This is not the set. This is something I picked up in Manhattan one day when I was leaving work, and it's just like this really pretty turquoise stone. Like gorgeous. That color is amazing. I just knew I had to have it. This is what I picked up at Neiman Marcus. It's this very pretty bracelet. The face on this cat and those green eyes, they're just amazing. I think it's a cougar. I'm not real sure. I don't really know. But it's very pretty, and I got the matching earrings to go with it. Oh, and I never showed you guys my Gucci frames. These purchased them on eBay. And I love them. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I'm like really into sunshades. It's like I was in Macy's not so long ago, and I was looking at the Michael Kors section. He really does have some beautiful bags. I don't know why I feel the way I do about wearing Michael Kors. I just see so many people wearing it, like little kids, grandmas. It just feel like you have something special. But this bag is special because I've never seen another one anywhere. No one's carrying this bag. These tassels are amazing. So I'm rocking this bag. And that's it, guys. I'm gonna go and I'm gonna prune some flowers that are in my front yard dying. Like, you guys with me to do that, and then we'll catch up again some other time. To the grocery store, and I picked up oh my god, why can't I say the name? A papaya. I picked up a papaya. Of course, my corned beef and avocado that we can add right. There you have it, folks. Yum.